My gosh, guys, this is like take 5 or 6. My laptop and machine is not working properly. Ugh. But anyway, that's absolutely fine. Because in today's video, guys, I've got a bit of a treat for you all. We're going to be talking about Doland Trump. I never thought I'd be discussing these type of memes, but then again, they are memes at the end of the day. So without further ado, I'm going to show you exactly why I reckon we're going to go much well, the one much more higher than here. And on top of that, the reason why I took the trade earlier down here, took profits, because I reckon there's going to be another small leg to the downside before we continue our way to the upside. So guys, without any further ado, strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets, and let's get into the video. Hello everyone and welcome back to Total Crypto, my beautiful people. And in today's video, we're going to be jumping straight into Tremp. So why don't we just go straight into the charts? Well, before we do that, the market cap is at $13.97 million. We are up on a day on 2.58% for the past 24 hours. And guys, the best bit of all, look at this, guys. It is at 99 million tokens and it's all out, and that is the beauty part of Doland Tremp. I reckon we're going to see a lot more bigger price coming in for Doland Trump. And guys, as the political sphere in the US is heating up, and once we do come step closer to November, I reckon not only are we going to see a crazy run to the upside, I reckon, guys, that we should be able to see more than 100x coming in for Doland Tremp. I won't be surprised if I see more than 100x. Even if we see 50x, that is not too bad, guys, because only between now to the last all-time highs, that is still roughly right about 1053% move to the upside. So that's your easy 10x. So without any further ado, guys, let's just zoom into the chart a little bit, because I've just been taking quick trade in, out, in, out. Because if we zoom in a little, what we can see here, guys, see where this box is right over here, this larger rectangle box. I've entered here, took a profit here because I almost knew that we're going to be pulling our way back a little. I took all of my profits and trade out. Now I'm looking for this move. Actually, why don't we just blow up the chart? Then I've actually re-entered right over here. As we can see, guys, with this red candle wicked all the way back into this area right over here. So now I'm in a trade and I'm going to be waiting for this move right over here. I've entered there. I want my target for the short term to be up here. So that'll give me a nice 45% move to the upside. Sorry, that's 42 now. Yep, roughly around about 44 to 45% move to the upside with my $1,000 account. So that'll give me a nice $444 from this move. However, now depending on how we react around this zone up here, we see a nice bit of cluster there, and we see more over here. Yep, these areas are a bit of a headache, because once the price do come back up into this level up here, we'll be seeing quite a few like volatile move, i.e. we're going to come up here and then we're going to be retracing all the way back down, maybe to the beginning or maybe halfway this move before we continue to the upside. What I'm trying to say is, whenever we face a resistance line where it's full of candles like this, usually it means that as we creep our way towards the upside and hit towards these resistance level, chances are that we are going to be heading way back down. How much further down can we go? Who knows, guys? Who knows? End of the day, it will give us another opportunity to be able to buy in order for us to be able to get in for another trade before until we see a break up above this level and go to a much more higher prices, because if we squeeze into the charts, once we do break above this important resistance area right over here, and what we can see is this, guys. Check this beauty out. We see nothing but red candles over here. We saw a slight blimp of a green candle there, so that could be the next resistance level. Now this will be a pretty decent trade, because if we hold on to this trade and we go all the way up into this level here, because this could be a potential resistance area right up here, and that will give us an easy 132% move to the upside. And once we do continue to smash our way to the upside, because I reckon as soon as November time come, we could see Doland Tremp go into a parabolic run to the upside. But I don't know, what do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon that Tremp, or Donald Tremp, Doland Tremp is what I'm trying to say, will reach the last all-time highs before we smash to get into the discovery phase? I reckon that will happen. It just means we'll have to wait until like November-ish. It might even go well above before November time, and as soon as we find out the results on who's going to be the next new president, then we could see either a catabolic run to the upside, or we might just come crashing down. But I've got a feeling that we're going to see a continued run to the upside, because the last all-time high, guys, check this out, we actually wicked all the way up to $1.66. Whew, guys, this is extremely doable. Look at this charts, it still looks quite bullish from a larger time frame. But I don't know, guys, you let me know in the comments, do you reckon that Doland Tremp will in fact go all the way up into these levels right up here? Now why don't we pull up the measuring tool? Well, actually, let's not do that. Why don't we just pull up the trade all the way up to the highest wick? And as you can see, guys, that's 1,131% move to the upside, so that's an 11x your move. Now I've already just invested $1,000, so that means I can turn my $1,000 into $11,131. Not too shabby, right? And that is how you can make your trades. And remember, guys, dollar costing your way in is also as important, knowing the fact that we got an 11x potential. That means whether you put $100 here, $100 there, $50 here, $20 there, the more that you accumulate as time goes on, whilst we're ranging sideways, this way, sideways, then we can expect an exponential rise back up to that very high of 11x. I won't call it exponential, but that's still pretty decent trade to the upside. So if you do play around with $100, you could turn your $100 into 1,131, and if you were to trade it with $1,000, you can turn that into $11,000. Guys, that is quite insane actually. And yes, I've just corrected myself from what I said earlier by playing around with my $1,000. Guys, apologies with my poor math skills there. It's been a long day, that's for sure. But anyway, that is just my prediction for the short term, that we can quite easily head our way back up to the last all-time highs. Now, I'm playing around with $1,000 because I feel comfortable in doing so. Guys, remember, it's not financial advice. I'm telling you exactly what I am doing. But also, you can still set yourself up for a decent trade even if you were to just trade with $100, because I still reckon we could potentially see maybe not 1000x, but at least 100 to 500x. But you let me know, guys, in the comments. I won't be surprised if Donald Trump wins this election, that we could see maybe even 1000x. Guys, who knows? All I can tell you is all of the political memes, the politic memes, should I say, will go completely on the up and up. But anyway, that's just my thoughts. You let me know in the comments, guys, whether you believe that Doland Tremp, how to say it right, will in fact go up to that 100x, 500x, maybe even 1000x? You let me know in the comment, guys. So until the next video, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you're new and you haven't done so already, guys, what are you waiting for? Give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one.